Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to recharge your Kia Rio's AC. First, ensure you have your safety gear, including glasses and gloves, and an AC recharge kit ready. Next, start your Kia Rio's engine and set the air conditioning to its highest fan speed and coldest temperature. Finally, locate the low-pressure service port, usually marked with an L, under the hood. With the engine running and AC on full, carefully remove the protective cap from the low-pressure service port. Then, firmly attach the quick connect fitting of your AC recharge kit's hose to this port. You should hear a click, indicating a secure connection. Check the gauge on your kit. It will now display the current pressure of your AC system. Now, hold the refrigerant can upright and squeeze the trigger for about 5 to 10 seconds. Release the trigger and check the pressure reading on the gauge. You want to avoid overfilling the system. Continue this process, squeezing for short bursts and checking the gauge until the pressure falls within the recommended range, typically indicated by a green zone. Once the pressure is correct, carefully disconnect the recharge hose from the low-pressure port and replace its protective cap. Turn off your engine and then test your Kia Rio's AC to ensure it's blowing cold air effectively. If the air is still not cold, a professional inspection might be needed. Remember to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.